Uh, Hello, hi. My name is Badmus Farouk Alawale, and I'm a full stack developer with expertise in React and Node.js. Yeah, today I want to teach you guys the basics of HTML, which stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. Yeah, HTML is the standard language used to create and structure pages on the web. It is like the skeleton of the website, giving shapes and meaning to your contents. Before we dive into writing any codes, it is important to know how to properly structure your files and folder. Now, before you can start coding with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we are still coming back to that. Now, before you start using the HTML, before you start using the HTML, your in your VS Code, because now if you want to start coding, I recommend using VS Code. I recommend using VS Code because it is a powerful and friendly code editor. Now you need to install your Visual Studio Code on your laptop. You need to install it on your laptop. Now the next thing after you install your VS Code on your laptop is to know how to structure your code. Now can you see this index.html? This is the root folder of my code. So now this is the root folder of my code. So you create a file, you create a folder, then you come here, click on the file and open a folder you've created. Now if you want to open any folder, now this is the desktop. Now let me can come here and search for, can you see this, YouTube? Now I've selected the folder. Now it shows something like this also. Now if you want to create the root folder, just come here. This is where you can create your file, and this is where you can create your folder. Just come here and click on the file. That's your index.html. So the file is already exists, so now just leave it like that. You must create your index.html for the root of your code. So now I'm going to show you guys the tags we have in our HTML, how to start with HTML. Now if you want to start any code, or maybe you want to use your HTML, you want to start writing HTML, the first thing you're going to do is just come here and click on shift one. Now click on shift one, then click on enter. Now this is the first thing. Can you see we have the title? It generated all these documents type for us. Now we have the title as document. So now this is our title, and you have some extensions you have to install. While we have our live server, we have the live server extension. Come here to install different extensions. Now we have our live server extensions. This extension enable you to check your output after you have coded. Like after you right click, then you see open with live server. So now this is the document. Now let's say we can set this is the document.